Unsa may
Paldo,
ingon?
masaya na swallow my pride. Your love is so sweet, it knocks me right off my feet. Can't explain why your love makes me weak.
Excuse me ma'am, excuse me ma'am. Pwede, nay favor ma'am. Pwede favor?
Unsa man sir?
Dali-dali. Kung kuan ma'am, okay na ma'am, i-content ra na ako. Ah. Kung kuan ma'am, kuangan mo gumig extra ticket para sa iyang uyab. Kung ganahan ka sa iyang tingog, tagaan mo siya og extra ticket.
Personal appearance, good sir.
Ah.
Moiro.
Pero di ka ganahan sa iyang tingog ma'am, kanang ayo tagai. Pero makita ni sa 800,000 followers na ako ma'am. Ah, 800. Sige, sige. Okay ra nimo ma'am. Og di ka ganahan sa iyang tingog, ayaw nimo siya tagay ticket para sa iyang uyab. Oo. Pero makita ni siya sa 800,000 followers na ako sa kuan. Sige, sige. Ready? Oh, asa man ma'am nimo ma'am? Ah, diha. Sige.
I don't know what it is that you've done to me, but it's got me working such a crazy way. Whatever it is that you do when you do what you're doing, it's a feeling that I don't understand. Cause my heart stops beating triple times with thoughts of loving you on my mind. I can't figure out just what to do, and a cousin thought is you. I get so weak in the knees, I can hardly speak. I lose all control, and something takes over me, and the days that it's so amazing. I want you to stay with me on my side. That's my love, my pride. Your love is so sweet, it knocks me right off my feet. Can't explain why your love makes me weak. Yeah, time after time after time I try to fight it, but your love is strong and it keeps on holding on. Resistance is done when your arms start fading. In my condition, I don't want to be alone, 'cause my heart starts beating 3-4 times with thoughts of loving you on my mind. I can't figure out just what to do, and it doesn't cure is you. I get so weak in the knees, I can hardly speak. I lose all control, and something takes over me. And the days, and it's so amazing. It's not a face, I want you to stay with me. By my side, I swallow my pride. Your love is so sweet, it knocks me right off my feet. Can't explain why your love makes me weak.
Ang problema din, matagaan ba ka ni ma'am og extra ticket para sa iyang uyab ma'am?
Naka-ID.
Iyang ID, picture.
Wala mo.
Naong sa iyang uyab ma'am.
Boyfriend reveal, o sama? Wakay buwan sa yan. Muyab ka ng ID, bisag kamay.
ID. Chat, paldo.
AM.
Yehey! Paldo! Unsa maingon? Unsa maingon nimo?
Salamat kay ni ma'am kay Juan po. Ganahan siya sa kuntingog guys. Then, nagpasalamat ko sa staff and mo na ni. Tara guys!
Ma'am, thank you mama. Thank you. Thank you.